Ever wondered what social abilities truly captivate a woman? This question often lingers in the minds of many, yet the answer isn't always clear. Social abilities, while frequently overlooked, are the silent game changers when it comes to creating strong, meaningful connections with women. They're the invisible threads that weave the fabric of attraction. And today we're here to unravel these threads, to understand the psychology behind them. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we delve into these fascinating social abilities. The first social ability that captivates a woman is confidence. Confidence is the cornerstone of our social interactions. It's like a magnet attracting people towards you. Why? Because it communicates strength, competence, and self-assuredness. It's an outward expression of your inner belief in yourself and your abilities. Let's consider a few examples. Confidence can be displayed through your body language, like maintaining eye contact during a conversation or standing tall and relaxed. It can also be conveyed through your words and actions, like expressing your thoughts clearly, decisively, and respectfully, or taking initiative to lead when needed. But here's the catch. Confidence should never cross into the territory of arrogance. Arrogance repels while confidence attracts. Arrogance is about proving yourself to others, while confidence is about knowing your worth without needing to prove it. Remember, confidence is not about being arrogant, but about believing in yourself and your abilities. Second on the list is being a good listener. In the grand scheme of social abilities, the significance of active listening in conversations is often underestimated. It's more than just hearing words, it's about understanding and responding to emotions, ideas, and thoughts. This is why women appreciate it. When you are a good listener, you show respect and interest in what she's saying, and that's a major turn-on. So, how can you practice active listening? Start by maintaining eye contact. This sends a clear message that you are fully engaged. Avoid interrupting, let her finish her thoughts. Respond and reflect back what she said to show you understand. And remember, you don't always have to offer solutions. Sometimes all she needs is a sounding board. Being a good listener shows that you value what the other person has to say, and that's incredibly attractive. Thirdly, empathy and kindness never go unnoticed. These two powerful virtues are like magnets drawing people towards you. Empathy is about understanding others' feelings, perspectives, and experiences. It's about putting yourself in someone else's shoes, not to judge but to comprehend. Kindness, on the other hand, is the act of being considerate, compassionate, and generous in our interactions. Picture this. You're at a party and you notice someone feeling uncomfortable. You approach them, engage in a conversation, and make them feel included. That's empathy in action. Or perhaps you're out on a date and you treat the waitstaff with respect and gratitude. That's kindness shining through. Women, like anyone, appreciate being understood and valued. They find empathy and kindness appealing because these qualities reflect a person's character and their ability to connect on a deeper level. Empathy and kindness show that you're not just focused on yourself, but you care about others too. Fourth on our list is humor. It's like a secret weapon in the arsenal of social abilities. Why is that, you ask? Well, humor is a universal language. It breaks down barriers and builds connections. Women, like everyone else, enjoy a good laugh. It's a stress reliever, and it shows that you don't take life too seriously. But remember, humor should be like a spice, not the main course. A sprinkle here and there can make a conversation flavorful, but too much can be overwhelming. So how do you improve your sense of humor? Start by observing the world around you. Find the funny in everyday situations. Remember, humor is subjective, so keep it light and respectful. A good sense of humor can lighten any situation and make you more approachable. Finally, authenticity is a trait that truly captivates a woman. Authenticity, the genuine expression of who you are, is undeniably attractive. It's like a beacon drawing people towards you. Women, like all of us, appreciate sincerity. They value the courage it takes to show your true colors, to stand by your beliefs and passions. To be more authentic, start by embracing your strengths and owning your flaws. Be consistent in your actions and words. Like the man who loves cooking and isn't afraid to share his latest culinary adventure, or the one who admits he cried during a heartfelt movie. Authenticity shows that you're comfortable with who you are, and that's incredibly appealing. So there you have it, the 5 social abilities that can captivate any woman. Remember, confidence, being a good listener, empathy, kindness, humor, and authenticity are key in forming meaningful relationships. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.